Alright guys, 2013 Volkswagen Passat TDI diesel oil pan oil filter housing and oil cooler replacement. They tend to leak from either this area or between the cooler and the housing. So the procedure is they recommend to remove the fan, but I did the shortcut. All you need to do, go underneath to remove that box. That's the, sorry about the bad quality of the video, but I don't have any other choice. This is the air this is the air cooler. So there is two brackets. You need to T30 start one here, the other one is on the other side over there. Take them out, take the air hose out from here, and there is like couple more air hose, the coolant hoses right here and down there. And then I left that one hanging. It's not gonna hurt or anything. There is the map sensor over here. I took that out because in order to take that out, you need more room if you don't want to remove the radiator fans. As soon as you take them out, then you have access to the oil filter housing. There is 4 screws all around. Let me show it to you again. There are 4 screws all around right here, as you see. Use the special German like that for the European torque, which is, I believe, it is let me see, it is number 8. You use that one, take that out, make sure you clean the area and put back together and do the reverse on the procedure to put back everything together. Thank you guys for watching. That was a short guideline to how to replace that oil filter housing on 2013 Volkswagen Passat TDI diesel.